Rockler is one of the most high-end woodworking shops in America, so when I visited there last week, I thought I'd challenge myself and see if they have any unique tools at an affordable price. And after doing a little bit of digging, I walked away from there pleasantly surprised as I found 5 unique woodworking tools for less than 30 bucks. And I can guarantee you there's some in here that you've never seen before, so let's dive in and see what I got. So Rockler is one of those places that I always have a little bit of anxiety before I walk in the door. And that's because everybody in this shop knows more than me, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to ask the clerk to see what's hot, affordable, and unique in the store. And that's when he led me to their innovation station. Now there were some pretty cool tools here, but in my opinion, not all these tools were affordable, as I didn't want to spend a penny over $30 for any one tool. So I went Rockler deep and found 5 tools under $30 that I think we need to take a look at. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the first item I picked up. Our first item of the day is the Rockler 3-inch pocket rule. Let's give it a look. You know, I got something that's 3 inches long and always satisfies my baby's mama. Yep, it's my credit card. So even though this is the first item we're taking a look at, this is the last item I picked up at Rockler, as they had this bad boy right at the checkout, so this was a total impulse buy. And it's also the cheapest item we're taking a look at today, coming in at today's pricing at only $6.99. So let's get it out of the packaging and take a quick look. Now, one of the first things that you probably just noticed is this is made out of metal. In fact, it's made out of stainless steel. Now, even though this is called a 3-inch pocket rule, it actually has dimensions of 3.5 by 2. And it's only 1 millimeter thick, so it's perfect to fit right into your pocket, while still being sturdy enough to retain its shape. Another nice feature of this ruler is it has a matte finish, and you can even use your pencil to write directly on the ruler. On one side of the ruler, you're going to notice 3 scales, one on the top and the bottom, as well as one on the side, with the top and the bottom having 16th inch increments and the side having 30 seconds. And these measurements are perfect for things like router table setup or even table saw setup. And you can be assured that each one of those measurements is accurate since each one of the 4 corners is perfectly square. And all these features are great, but let me show you what actually sold me on the tool. To understand that, we need to flip the ruler over. That's right, this ruler has a cheat sheet on the very back, including a conversion chart going from fraction to decimal to metric. And there's a lot of them here, going from 0 to 1 inch at every 64th of an inch. Which is great because half the time I have no idea where my calculator is or my Alexa wants to give me a smart-ass answer.
Why don't you just convert to metric like the rest of the world?
And because of all these simple little features, I think this is a great pickup for only $6.99 from Rockler. But we're just getting started. Let's check out the next item I picked up from Rockler for under 30 bucks. Next up, we have the Dust Right clamping hose holders. Let's give them a look. Speaking of dust, that reminds me of those 3 boys that walked into a bar with coal dust all over their face. The bartender took one look at them and said, "Sorry, we don't serve minors." So this was an item that was on an end cap in the very back of the store, and I probably would have missed it if I wouldn't have looked closely. And the price for this 2-piece set is really quite affordable, coming in at today's pricing of $17.99. And these come in 2 sizes, the one that I got, which is 2.5 inches, or larger ones at 4 inches for your larger hoses. And at first glance, these resemble another popular Rockler tool, the bandy clamp, but these serve an entirely different purpose. Let's get these out of the box and take a closer look. Now, my first impression with this clamp is that it looks a heck of a lot like a spring clamp, and that's because essentially it is. But when we compare it to a standard spring clamp, that's where the similarities end. Some of the main differences include a soft, non-slipped rubber overmold for a secure grip. Not to mention it's got large 1 3/4 inch squared clamp feet with rubber pads to pivot and provide a strong hold. But none of those features are what make this clamp interesting. Let's take a look at the band on the back. This band's completely adjustable with 12 notches so that you can get a grip around whatever you're trying to hold. And primarily, this band is meant to be used with a dust collection hose. And there's no better place to use this than over at your drill press or your router table. Let's go over to the drill press. First up, I'll take one of the clamps and clamp it right onto my drill press table. Then I can take my dust collection hose, place it inside that band, and tighten it down into place. And with my hose in place, I can turn on my shop vac and drill out some holes while keeping my shop clean. And the adjustability of this smaller 2.5 inch clamp is really quite impressive, as you can tackle some of your smaller hoses like the Festool hose, which in my case works a heck of a lot better than my shop vac. Not only that, but there's also a variety of different configurations you can do with this clamp. By twisting the knob on the inside of the banded section, you can rotate this band 360 degrees. And once you have your angle in place, you can twist the knob to lock it into place, and you can have your hose come in from any angle you want, allowing you to pinpoint the direction of your hose. Not only that, but you can also completely adjust where the band is connected to the clamp, as there's also a secondary screw hole on the handle of the clamp that allows you to attach that band to the handle of the clamp, giving you all the flexibility you need to tackle some of your most complex dust collection situations. And once again, at just $17.99, I think this is a great accessory to have in your shop. Well, we're cruising right along, but we're not even halfway done yet. Let's check out the next item that I got at Rockler. Next up, we have the medium-duty spring-loaded bar clamp. Let's give it a look. Spring, that's my favorite time of year. I get so excited I soil my plants. Now this is the most expensive thing we're taking a look at today, coming in at today's pricing of $29.99. Which may seem like a lot for one clamp, but when you compare it to other similar one-handed clamps like the ones from Bessie, it's just a few dollars more. Now this isn't exactly a new tool from Rockler, but I've had my eye on it for quite some time, and if there's anybody that hasn't seen it, I thought it was worth taking a look at. So let's get this thing out of the package and see what it's all about. Now more than anything, I've been curious as to how this thing works. To understand that, we need to take a closer look at the tool. Now, as I said earlier, this is a 10-inch clamp, but when I put my tape measure next to it, you can get a jaw capacity of about 11 inches. If we look at the handle of this clamp, you'll notice it's like many other clamps, with two triggers right on the base. Now, the larger of these two triggers works like any other clamp. As you depress it, the clamp slowly cinches down. But it's the small trigger that has a completely different function. Unlike most clamps where the smaller trigger allows you to open up the clamp, the Rockler does something different. It actually quickly and easily cinches down your clamp directly to your workpiece. This makes this clamp truly one of the only one-handed clamps available on the market today. Instead of having to slowly squeeze the trigger on your clamp to get it into position, this clamp gets there in a matter of less than a second. The clamp is able to do this due to a spring that's located in the bar of the clamp. And not only is the bar for this clamp made out of steel, but also the cover for that spring, making this a truly durable quick clamp like no other. And really the only downfall that I see with this clamp is that you don't have the ability to switch it to a spreader. But I think this quick close function more than makes up for that lost capability. Well, that makes 3 amazing tools so far and only 2 more left to go. Let's move on to our next one. Before we check out our 4th item though, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video, as it truly does help out this woodworking channel. And if you haven't already, check out my website, FlynnDoggWoodwork.com. There you can find some fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos. And just like with all my videos, if any of the tools we take a look at today interest you, check out the links in the description below so that you can go check them out for yourself. And if you'd like to support the channel further, check out my channel memberships, where you can get early access to all my videos as well as 1 member video a week. Now let's move on to our next Rockler tool. Next up, we have the Rockler Glue Roller Bottle Set. Let's give it a look. Speaking of rollers, that reminds me of my ex. She used to say that making love to me was like riding a roller coaster. Yeah, it was over in a minute and she wanted to vomit afterwards. So this is something that I absolutely need, and I've wanted for quite some time, and I'm not quite sure it took me this long to purchase it, as it's only $8.99. Now, I've had silicone glue rollers in the past and they work great, but if we take a look at mine, it's seen some better days. There's 2 things that I don't like about that roller. The first thing is if you ever have any extra glue, there's no way to store that glue. And the second thing is there's some metal hardware on this roller, which wood glue will stick to and has made this roller unusable. But this Rockler version is supposed to solve all that, so let's get it out of the package and take a closer look. First off, the entire roller is made of plastic and rubber, which is really easy to clean. With the bottle being made of HDPE plastic, the glue roller body and the axle being made of polypropylene plastic, and the roller is made of thermoplastic rubber. And the bottle has a pretty decent capacity of about 8 ounces. So let's take the top off and fill this thing with glue. Before we put the top back on this bottle, let's talk about the cap itself. The cap itself has the same thread pattern as a Titebond 2 16 or 32 ounce bottle, which means that both of these bottles' caps are interchangeable. So you can put the Rockler roller on the Titebond bottle or the Titebond cap on the Rockler bottle. So you can easily save the remainder of your glue with a simple snap of the Titebond lid. Or you can just as easily apply your Titebond glue right out of the Titebond bottle. But with the Rockler roller on the Rockler bottle, you can also seal that glue with the cap itself, as the Rockler bottle has a small red tab that can be in 2 positions. By placing this red tab on the tip of the cap, you can store your glue for later use. And the second position for this is on the back of the cap, where there's a little notch that you can store this tab, which is ideal for while the roller is in use. If we look at the roller itself, you can see it's got a width of about 2 3/4 of an inch, which is really going to expedite your glue up process. So let's apply some glue so that we can see how this works. With the bottle upside down, you can see that the glue is exiting from the very tip of the bottle. And once the glue is secreted, it's that roller that's going to spread the glue with little notches in between each glue line, allowing you to apply the glue to a large surface area with just the right amount. And once you're done with your glue up, you can either place that red tab into the tip of the cap, or you can place the Titebond lid right on the bottle, ensuring that you waste the least amount of glue as possible. And once that glue is dry, cleanup will be a breeze and quite satisfying. And at only $8.99, this is another great addition from Rockler. Well, it's hard to believe, but we're finally down to our last Rockler item that I got for under 30 bucks, and this is probably the most unique item we're taking a look at today. So let's dive right in and take a look at the last item that I picked up. This is the Rockler Deluxe Push Stick. Let's give it a quick look. Push stick, huh? That reminds me of my buddy who's always accusing me of pushing him around and talking behind his back. We're all good though, cuz he's in a wheelchair and we get along pretty well. If you take a quick glance at this thing, this has got a lot going on with it, including a lot of metal features as well as a wheel on the bottom. And surprisingly, all of these attributes have a feature, so let's get it out of the box and take a closer look. So let's first talk about the price. At today's pricing, this push stick is going for just $19.99, which is really pretty reasonable when you consider everything that this push stick can do. Before we get into the details of all the features of this push stick, let's take a general look at the push stick itself. You'll first notice that it's got a very comfortable blue ergonomic rubber grip. You'll also notice that the push stick itself has a bird's beak profile with about 8 inches of reach. And this is kind of where the similarities between this push stick and other push sticks end. Let's first talk about the stick itself. Now I've got a similar push stick that I really love. There's just one problem with it. It's gotten really marred up over the years and it's not replaceable. But this Rockler one has the ability to replace the tip. Let's take a closer look. And this is where we get into the 2 screws that are at the end of the handle. If we unscrew those screws, you can see the inside of this push stick. As you can see, you can remove that stick from its handle and replace it with a new one. And there's 2 ways you can replace them. You can either purchase a 3-pack from Rockler for $7.99, or you can make your own. And Rockler even provides a free template so that you can make your own out of hardwood or something like MDF. Now the sticks that come directly from Rockler are a 1/2 inch thick, but this push stick can accommodate sticks as thin as a 1/4 inch. And once you replace the stick into the handle, you simply place the cover right on top and screw the 2 screws until the stick is secure. And just like that, you're ready to cut again with a brand new push stick. But let's move down the handle to these 2 metal tabs. These 2 metal tabs are rare earth magnets that are meant to be used in combination with the wheel on the butt of the handle. These 2 attributes are all about directing your cuts over at the bandsaw. Let's take a closer look. By placing both of those magnets on the cast iron table of your bandsaw, they give you a firm grip. Then you can take the wheel and rest it up right against your workpiece. And with a firm grip on the handle, you can push your workpiece right up against your bandsaw fence, directing your cut, allowing you to have full control throughout your cut. And that's a feature like no other that I've never seen on a push stick before. And at less than $20, just another great find from Rockler. Well, I had a lot of fun showing you all these unique tools, and it just goes to show you there's some unique tools at even places that you might think are just too expensive. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video, as it truly does help. And don't forget to check out my website, FlynnDoggWoodwork.com, where you can find all sorts of fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos. And as a reminder, just like with all my videos, if any of these tools interest you, I'll leave links in the description below so that you can go check them out for yourself. And lastly, if you'd like to support the channel, check out my channel memberships, where you can get early access to all my videos as well as 1 member video a week. Until next time, take care as always. Let's get it. So did you hear you're not required to keep your dustpan and your broom in your hall closet? Yeah, it's part of Trump's sweeping reform. Come on. Jeez. Let's try this one. So I struck up a conversation with the spider while I was dusting at home. Yeah, he's a nice guy. Turns out he's a web designer. Come on. Jeez. All right, let's try it. So what do you call a wheelchair-bound nun that lives high up in the mountain? Is it A, high roller, B, virgin mobile, or C, none of the above?